The Negroni. 3 ingredients, equal parts, invented in Florence in 1919, when Count Camillo Negroni asked his bartender to swap the soda in his Americano for gin. A century later, it's the most demanded classic on every serious bar menu. 3 ingredients, and that's it. 1 ounce of gin, 1 ounce of Campari, 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. Equal parts, forever. Start with 1 ounce of gin. A classic London dry like Tanqueray or Beefeater is the textbook choice. Assertive juniper that can stand up to Campari's bitterness. Plymouth is the softer, more traditional Italian-style pairing. 1 ounce of Campari. This is the soul of the drink. Bittersweet, ruby red, and genuinely irreplaceable. Every substitution changes the drink into something else entirely. Swap in Aperol and you've made a Negroni Sbagliato. Swap in Cynar and you've made a Tin Sin. Just use Campari. 1 ounce of sweet vermouth, Italian-style red vermouth. Rich, herbal, slightly sweet. Carpano Antica formula is the gold standard. Cocchi Vermouth di Torino is a beautiful alternative, and keep it in the fridge once opened. Vermouth is fortified wine, and it will go off. Add everything to a mixing glass with ice. Stir, don't shake, for about 30 seconds until well chilled. Strain over a large ice cube in a rocks glass and garnish with an orange peel. Express the oils by squeezing the peel firmly over the drink, then drop it in. The Negroni is the cocktail you learn to love, bitter, complex, and entirely adult, but the more you drink, the more you understand. 3 ingredients, equal parts. Cheers. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.